Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. So we have got the JJRC M02 from Banggood.com. This is a VTOL type plane, RC plane, vertical takeoff and landing. So you've got a 3-position switch. So you take off in multi-copter mode and land in multi-copter mode, but you can transition into 6G mode, which is fully stabilised traditional flight, and there's also a V mode, vertical mode position, so you can do that. Also there's a 3D and 6G button, so you can go out of the fully stabilised 6G mode into a 3D mode, so that you can do loops and rolls, because when you're in the 6G mode it doesn't allow you to do that. It's fully stabilised. Okay, so let's get it in the air, see how it flies. Okay, so we start off in multi-copter mode, and to arm it you put both sticks to the centre and down, and then throttle up. So in this mode it flows much like a multi-copter. You can go side to side and round and forwards and backwards. So then if I go flick it into 6G mode, away it goes into a traditional flying. And then that's the vertical mode. And again I can control it with the stick, so I can still come forwards and backwards, so that's, well, it's a little bit windy, so it's not going forward. But I can transition into normal flight again and on the way. So back into multi-copter mode. Down. So there you go, that's the JJRC M02, really good. So you can transition between, you know, the multi-copter mode straight into normal stabilised flight, land in that mode, but also go into vertical mode as well. Really, really clever. Can't imagine the software that's on that little chip that allows it to do that. Pretty impressive. So the link is in the video description. Look it up on Banggood.com. Thanks for this one. Thanks to James on camera, and we'll see you for the next one.